After a series of leaks and rumors surrounding the Galaxy S23 series, Samsung has confirmed the Galaxy S23 launch date. The company has revealed the information via its own website, and it is pretty much guaranteed that the South Korean firm will launch the Galaxy S23 at its Galaxy Unpacked 2023. That page has now been removed, which suggests Samsung Colombia jumped the gun on the revelation of the Unpacked event's date. But we expect the Korean conglomerate to make an official announcement for the event soon. According to Samsung's website, for the Colombian market, the next Galaxy Unpacked event is happening on Feb 1, 2023. The tagline for the event reads, "Epic moments are coming." The promotional image also reveals the 3 rear cameras of the Galaxy S23 series, featuring individual rings around them, similar to what we've seen in the leaked renders. As per previous reports, the Galaxy S23 series could go on sale by the second week of February 2023. Samsung may not increase the pricing of its new phones compared to the Galaxy S22 series, but according to SK Telecom, Samsung is planning to introduce a price increase to the entire S23 lineup. However, nothing can be confirmed until the South Korean firm makes it official. As usual, Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event would be live-streamed on Samsung.com, Samsung Newsroom, and Samsung's YouTube channel. Note that Samsung didn't explicitly mention the Galaxy S23 on its website, but the picture it shared pretty much confirms Samsung will unveil its 2023 flagships at the February 1 event. The Galaxy S23 series is expected to consist of 3 models: Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung hasn't divulged anything about them yet, but thanks to their leaked images, we know what the S23 trio will look like. You can expect more details about the Galaxy S23 lineup to surface in the lead-up to the February 1 Galaxy Unpacked event. That's it for today. Now, what do you think? Comment down below. As always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.